Good morning, students. We are solving the exercises of chapter number 14 of workbook. Now we are going to solve exercise D. Exercise D, that is based on metaphor. Students, exercise B and C we have completed. Those two exercises, exercise B and C, were based on similes. And we know simile means comparison by using the words like or as. We studied this simile, comparison between two objects, persons, places by using the word like or as. Now exercise D, it is based on metaphor. What is a metaphor? This also we studied. Metaphor, it is an implied simile. Metaphor, it is an implied simile. Not understood? Okay. Metaphor, it is also a comparison, but without using the word like or as. Metaphor, it is also a comparison between two things, people, places, etc. without using the word like or as. And when we compare two objects, two people, two cities, then without using as or like, that time the thing, it becomes something else. So that is a metaphor. Comparison without using the word like or as, that is metaphor. For example, Virat is a tiger on the field, or Virat is a tiger on the pitch. Here we compared Virat with tiger, but we have not used the word like or as, so it is a metaphor. C is a human computer in our class. Here also we compared C with a human computer without using the word like or as. So it is also an example of metaphor. So when we compare two objects, people, places without using as or like, then it is called metaphor. See the exercise B. Complete these sentences with metaphors of your own. We are given three sentences and we have to complete them using metaphors of our own. First one, he was so tired that his legs were. Understand the sentence? He was so tired that his legs were. So I would like to compare with dead logs. Dead logs. Now see the sentence. He was so tired that his legs were dead logs. So here we compare legs with dead logs. So that is a metaphor, as we have not used as or like. Next sentence. My puppy's fur is. Now we have to use the words to compare fur. So I would like to use formed silk. My puppy's fur is combed silk. So I have compared fur with combed silk. Next, time is a. Now we have to compare. Time is a good medicine. Time is a truant child. Truant, it means without information, being absent, or an absent child. Time is a truant child. So here we have complete the sentences by using metaphors. We have not used as or like to compare. So that is metaphor. I hope you have understood what metaphor is. Thank you, students.